now I'm just gonna chill out here with these needles in my face like a normal person.
Welcome back to another episode of Nick
and Matt.
Good morning, vlog family. It is Friday today, TGIF, and I am taking a self-care day because I have been working my butt off this January, and I just feel like I want to take some time for myself today. I'm working this weekend actually. I'm filming an exciting project tomorrow, which I think I'm gonna vlog. And then Sunday we're recipe testing, and then Monday we're filming. So it's gonna be a full-on weekend. So I thought I'm just gonna take some time for me because I feel like everyone has different work schedules now. It's not always the 9 to 5 off on weekends. And even when you run your own business, you know, you have to work on weekends sometimes. And so sometimes it's just nice to be able to, you know, take a weekday off because you know you're gonna be working on the weekend. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just getting ready. I just really brushed my hair, straightened it a bit because it was kind of crazy, and then I just did like my brows and some mascara, and I'm wearing my glasses today because I am going for a massage. Actually, I'm meeting my cousin Caitlin up for lunch, and then I have a massage, and then later I have a fun appointment which I'll tell you guys about after. So I thought I would vlog. I woke up this morning not thinking I was gonna vlog, and then I thought, you know what, I'm doing a self-care day today. I think it'll be fun to share, kind of bring you guys along. And I always love meeting up with my cousin Caitlin. So we're gonna go to Fresh, which is like one of my favorite restaurants in the city, and they have so many yummy, healthy food. I mean, most of it's healthy, some of it's just like indulgent and delicious, but it's all like plant-based and stuff, so I mean, healthy-ish. So let the day begin. I'm just drinking some rooibos tea. I've been obsessed. Woo! Woo! I've been obsessed with it. It's the one that I mentioned in my what I eat in a day detox video. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys what I put on my skin today because my skin has been so dry. I keep telling Matt we need to get a humidifier for our place just to like sleep with in the room at night. But my skin has just been really dry, so I want to share with you guys some what I put on my skin right now and what's been kind of helping. So cut to that clip right now while I do some work, and then I'll meet you for a smoothie later. So I wanted to show you guys some of the products that I'm using this morning. My skin has been super dry lately, so I started off with this nourishing serum. I just opened up a new one from Luminance. Love this stuff. And I layered it under their deep hydration, which I feel like I definitely need this winter. My skin is just so dry, and I think it's like the heating inside houses makes your skin really dry. I've been trying out the Primally Pure deodorant in the lemongrass scent. Love it. Lemongrass is one of my favorite scents, and this one is so creamy. Let me show you what it looks like. It just goes on really nice, and it's just a nice small compact shape. And then for sunscreen, since I'm not doing a tinted moisturizer today because I'm gonna get a massage, I just put on this Super Goop mineral sunscreen. I really like it. It has an SPF of 40. And then we just, Matt and I tried these last night. This is called Cocoa Floss, and I think it's just like all natural. I love it. It has a really nice grit to it. I don't know, it really feels like it's cleaning your teeth. So just want to share that one as well. And then at night, to help my dryness, I've just been slathering my face in jojoba oil mixed with a little bit of frankincense because it's really good for your skin. So I've been doing that. Hopefully that helps, but definitely moisturizing wherever I can. I will link all of these products down below if you guys want to check them out. I do have coupon codes for Primally Pure and Luminance. And I've been using Luminance for years now. Primally Pure has been in the last year, but honestly obsessed with their products. Highly recommend all of these. So I have my smoothie pretty much ready to go. I want just to share with you guys some superfoods I've been really enjoying in my smoothies lately. So I have Manitoba Harvest hemp hearts, really good for healthy fats and protein. And then here I have some organic flax seeds. I love adding some type of fiber into my smoothies. So some days it's chia seeds, but flaxseed is my favorite. And then because it's like cold and flu season right now, I've recently been trying this. I've only been trying it for the last month. It's Camu Camu berry powder. It's known to be super high in vitamin C. And I've just been adding like about half a teaspoon to my smoothies. And then I have some Hawaiian organic spirulina. I love this stuff. I've been using it for years. I get the Hawaiian one because it just tastes better. It doesn't have like a fishy smell. And yeah, this is the only one I get. So I've been pretty much using all of those. And then I have, what else in here? Cucumber, spinach, a little peanut butter, some frozen zucchini, banana, ice cubes, a little bit of almond milk, mostly water, and cinnamon, and I put a little bit of collagen powder in there as well. So I'm gonna blend this all up. So good, so hydrating. It's like a multivitamin in a glass. If you guys want my secret to making the perfect green smoothie, I actually have a downloadable printable guide. I will have it linked down below in the info box. It's free, you guys can check it out. You can make easy substitutions like I did for the protein powder and superfoods, and it's like a foolproof way to make a smoothie. I'm gonna go enjoy that while I finish getting ready and listening to a podcast. So far, it's a good morning. It's gonna be a cold one. It's cold. I don't know if you can even see me under all these layers. Oh, Fresh is right here. So I just got off the subway. I'm just at Fresh and I'm gonna meet Caitlin here soon. I'm a little early, so I'm gonna grab a spot. All right, with Caitlin.
I am here.
We're in Noah's. It's a little health food store on Bloor Street because apparently HelloFresh doesn't open till 11:30.
It's Fresh, not HelloFresh.
Oh, Fresh. Thanks for that. Oops. I like HelloFresh too. But I was saying this kale looks really nice. Ooh, well, it does look really nice. I appreciate a good kale, you know?
Yeah, they're killing it, you know?
They
I
are.
say that pun every time.
I liked your awesome possum one.
Oh yeah, that was a good one, right?
That was a good, oh, this is a good, yeah, this could be a thumbnail for a grocery haul.
No way, it was on sale.
Yeah. Guys, they have walnut milk? Wait, that one. Wow.
Oh,
I haven't tried that one.
never
That'd be
tried
good in like a tea latte or something.
That'd be
I love this one.
I just had macadamia milk for
Oh,
the first time.
so good.
So good in a latte.
I know. Balzac's has it. Is that where you had it?
No, I got it at a coffee shop called Almond Butterfly.
Oh, you've taken me there. Yeah, that one's
Yeah,
really cute.
yeah, super cute. But like tasted so good.
Right? Yeah.
Added like a little je ne sais quoi to my
Oh, to your coffee?
experience. It's pretty good.
So I feel like you can't come to Fresh without getting the onion rings.
No, you really can't.
You can't. It's
These
so
are
good.
the best thing.
I got chipotle mayo.
I don't know.
How will Caitlin do this?
This won't end well for me.
And you have a white shirt.
What was I thinking? So stupid. Okay, hold on. I see what we want.
It's so pretty though. I was saying it's really
It's
pretty from the
gorgeous.
sour cream. Just get right in there. Oh, so good. Some sauce for mine. So I got soba noodles on the bottom and some grilled tofu steaks. Just got in the massage room and I'm like that person that brings their own oils all the time. So, but I'm gonna relax now and get a massage.
One nap later.
Oh, just finished. It was amazing. So good. So I just got to Amaret's place, which is so gorgeous. It's like this 2-story condo right downtown. I'm gonna move in. I'll move in here. You got your king bed in the
I'll
den.
be in here, you be in the kitchen, and I think that makes a perfect
Oh
combination.
yeah, and you had a really nice. I'll have to check the downstairs. We kind of just like came upstairs. But Amaret's gonna do some facial acupuncture on me.
Yes,
This
we
is our
are.
second session.
Yes.
I did one, I think it was like in December. It was like before the holidays. And I just feel like my skin's so dry right now. I don't know, I'm telling Matt like we should get a humidifier.
Humidifier will help, but it's just the air right now. Everyone's
I've been doing
skin
the
is dry.
oils like you told me, and I
Okay,
feel
good.
like you're gonna see my skin's so dry right now. You can't tell.
We'll
on
do
the
a
vlog.
refresher.
So anyways, we'll get some behind the scenes of what it looks like. needles on my face. It's gonna be really fun.
Awesome, let's do it.
Okay. All right, so I got some needles in my face. Feeling good.
These
They actually
ones are-
don't really, there's a little prick when they go in, but they don't really hurt.
Yeah, these ones are gonna help pull your forehead up. Now we're gonna do the facial ones.
All right, so now I'm just gonna chill out here with these needles in my face like a normal person. Thanks. Do you ever just like have a spa night and do it to yourself?
Yeah, but I wouldn't call it a spa night when you do it to yourself.
know,
You're like in the mirror, you're like this, or if I'm doing it on Instagram and I'm just like, okay, trying to like watch it in this like little tiny screen.
It's like
and
doing
then
your own nails. It's never as
it's never the
enjoyable.
same.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I get up and I walk really carefully to my bed and I lie down and I'm like, Siri, set the timer for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
And then I hope for the best that there's no needles in my bed. And that's it.
Oh my god. Okay, so we just did some oil.
I'm gonna contour this job.
Oh, I didn't know you could use that one on the forehead.
You just use a small flat side.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's so good. This is where you're really gonna start doing like the work on the line. So you're just going back and forth on the line. So I just tell people like picture it's like an eraser and like
Oh, wow.
set that intention, like get rid of those lines. Yeah, and you're just going back and forth. So what you're doing is you're breaking down the tissue and the fascia around the wrinkle, and that's what a wrinkle is, right? Repetitive facial movements are causing.
So you're almost spreading
breaks.
it out a bit, like the...
Yeah, exactly.
All right, all done. I was like packing up and then I realized I never
How
did
gorgeous is
an
this
after.
face?
Already feels more hydrated and glowy, and Amrit was telling me I need this exfoliator because that's one thing I don't do. I don't exfoliate my skin.
Yeah, you have to. You
So-
have to get rid of the dead skin so the new skin
Your
can come
skin's
in.
so glowy, so whatever you're
you.
doing, I want to do. And then she also gifted me her, what are these? This is is it a jade roller, this one? Or no, rose
Facial
quartz.
roller, rose quartz, yeah.
Facial roller and
Six
gua sha.
Babe Beauty facial kit.
I'll link, so I'm gonna link her information down below. You guys can go follow her. You can check out her rollers. I'm gonna probably do this on Instagram and pretend I'm you. Be like, go one way.
One direction, up and out, up
Yeah,
and out.
Don't go back and forth.
Always up
So,
and out. Yeah.
okay, I'm gonna head out because I have to meet Matt. We're taking the GO train together, so I'm gonna go because I'm running late. But thank you so much.
Of
Thank
course.
you so much.
Thank you for coming in. Amazing.
So yeah, I'll leave all of her stuff down below. Look who I found. Train buddy. He almost looked like Elfie.
I have a scarf.
Now arriving at
It's like cold. It's cold. Minus 20.
He almost looked like Elfie.
Denford.
Oh, I didn't hear that.
Yeah, he's like, he texts me, he's like, I'm taking the 6:13.
I've been waiting for an hour.
Yeah, it's true.
It's cold.
What are we having for dinner?
I don't know. What are the HelloFresh ones?
Oh yeah,
Three.
this vlog is not sponsored by HelloFresh, but we got 3 more deliveries, so we're probably gonna make one of those for dinner tonight.
Yeah.
They're just convenient to have, so.
I just don't know what the 3 are.
I forget what I ordered. I think
Ooh,
one's
don't
lamb
say that.
pizza. Oh, there's a tofu curry, Penang. And there's a chicken one.
Could do that.
I can't remember what they were, so. Okay. I'll see you back at the house. So this is the one that I'm gonna make tonight. It's the, what's it called? Tandoori chicken. Like I said, this is not sponsored. We just actually really do like the product, obviously, or otherwise we wouldn't work with them. So this is the chicken. I will say I love that all their meat is like good quality meat. This one here is no antibiotics or hormones or any byproduct. It's just a good quality chicken, same as the lamb and the tofu. The tofu's organic and the lamb is antibiotic free. So I'm gonna make this. I told Matt we'll double team it. We're both kind of tired, but I think it's gonna be pretty easy to make. Also, I forgot to say I got my nails done. I just got the shellac taken off and just have my natural nails, and then they just put like a clear coat of some nail polish. But yeah, I had a really good pampered day today, so I'm feeling refreshed, and I have an early morning tomorrow for a shoot. I think I'm gonna be vlogging tomorrow, so that'll be coming up, but I just feel like it was a good day, got some good self-care stuff in, but we're gonna cook now, and then I gotta finish packing for tomorrow to make sure I have everything, and then that's it. I think we're gonna Netflix and chill. Matt's taking out the garbage and stuff. We just emptied the dishwasher, you know, domesticated things, because we're just good people like that. And yeah, I'm excited for this. This looks really yummy. Total time, 30 minutes. We'll see. We always take longer than it says, but you know, Matt's a slow sous chef.
Yeah. No worse.
All right, we'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Hey, you gotta have snacks while you're cooking. So good. So here is the final product. I got the rice, the chicken, the tomato chutney, and the yogurt sauce on top. Let's do a taste test. Ready?
Good. It's nice.
It all kind of goes together. It's like they thought of it.
Was it butter chicken?
Tandoori.
Oh. It tastes good. I don't think it's tandoori chickeny, but
Yeah.
tandoori chicken's like red. I think it's like red, right?
Yeah, you're right. I know the spice was masala, but
It tastes nice, but I'm like.
I know you mean it's not the red.
Yeah, that's what I think. But I'm not a expert. It was good though.
Yeah.
It was good. I like it.
Delish. Okay, we're gonna go eat this and watch some Blacklist. Okay, good night, Matt.
Very nice.
We'll end the vlog by ourselves. So it is like almost 11 and I have to wake up at 6 a.m. for tomorrow's filming shoot day, so it's gonna be a long day, so I want to get a good night's sleep, and usually I go to bed around midnight, but I've been trying to go to bed a little bit earlier, and I'm doing my reading. I've been a little slack lately, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I know I'm supposed to get through this book by end of January, and I gotta get in some reading hours because it's like, what, January 11th today, and I did not read for the last few days. I know it's hard to get into it. So I'm gonna do some reading right now. Hopefully it's gonna just wind me down. I have some essential oils diffusing right now. I got my water. What else? It's basically all you need. Matt's still watching Netflix and drinking old fashions. He's having himself a good self-care Friday night. But he has to get up early too because he's got to drive me in the morning. So, but today was really great. I loved the facial acupuncture. I ended up having a really nice hot shower when I got home. I did an exfoliating mask that I had and a nice oil massage, and I used the roller, and it just felt really, really nice. So yeah, I don't know, just this dry winter, and it must be the heat in our condo has been just drawing all the moisture out of my skin. Like I can just see, like right now I have tons of moisturizer on, but I can just see it feeling flaky and dry. So Matt ordered some diffusers humidifiers for us to put in the bedroom, because I don't know, have you guys been noticing like super dry skin right now? Question of the day today, what book are you currently reading? I would like to know. Yeah, I'm reading, you guys have seen this book so many times now and I've not done it, but How Not to Die by Michael Greger. It's really good. He also has a lot of talks and stuff on YouTube if you guys want to look him up. My mom like listens to all of the stuff while she's eating a donut. It's hilarious. And yeah, but let me know what book you're currently reading. I would love to know. And as always, thank you so much for watching these vlogs. They're kind of random sometimes, and I just feel like, I don't know, sometimes the things I share with you guys, I'm like, is it interesting to see? I don't know. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Leave me a comment down below what your favorite types of vlogs are, and I will see you guys in our next video. Mwah! Have a fabulous weekend, since you're probably seeing this on a Friday, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!